Navigating legal waters. The role of a Houten Maritime lawyer. The maritime industry has long been a cornerstone of global trade and commerce. When ships cross oceans, transporting goods and people, a complex web of legal issues inevitably arises. In the charming Dutch city of Houten, there is a group of legal professionals specialized in solving these complex legal problems, Houten Maritime attorneys. This article discusses their central role in that maritime center and in the wider context of the law of the sea. Houten Sea Connection. Located in the heart of the Netherlands, Houten may seem like an unexpected place for expertise in maritime law. However, the city's historical connections with water traffic in the North Sea promoted the local maritime tradition. When ships from around the world navigate the waters off the coast of the Netherlands, problems can arise, from accidents and environmental problems to cargo disputes and regulatory compliance. This is where Houten Maritime lawyers come in, offering their expertise to deal with such challenges. Houten's maritime lawyer role. Houten Maritime attorney is a lawyer with a deep understanding of maritime law and its various aspects. These lawyers provide legal services to clients in the maritime industry, including ship owners, cargo owners, shipping companies, insurance companies and many others. Their role is multifaceted, encompassing both counseling and litigation. 1. Advisory services. Maritime lawyers provide valuable guidance to clients on international maritime compliance, contract drafting and negotiation and risk management. For example, they can help a shipping company navigate a complex regulatory environment to ensure ships meet safety standards and environmental requirements. 2. Dispute resolution. When disputes arise, whether over damaged cargo, collisions at sea or even contractual dependency, maritime lawyers play a key role in resolving these conflicts. They have a deep understanding of admiralty law, which governs maritime disputes, and are able to negotiate settlements or represent clients in court where necessary. 3. Environmental protection. With global concerns about environmental sustainability, maritime lawyers are increasingly involved in cases related to marine pollution, illegal fishing and conservation efforts. Their role is central to ensuring that shipping operations are conducted responsibly and within environmental legislation. 4. Marine insurance. The shipping industry relies heavily on insurance to mitigate risks. Maritime lawyers often work closely with insurance companies and clients to ensure policy integrity and compliance with industry standards. 5. Salvage and admiralty actions. In shipwreck, salvage and other emergencies, maritime lawyers help coordinate actions to protect the interests of their clients, whether shipowners or salvors. Qualification and knowledge. Becoming a Houten Maritime lawyer requires, in addition to strong general law, specialized knowledge of maritime law, international treaties and the complexities of maritime matters. These lawyers often have a background in marine surveying, marine engineering or naval architecture, which gives them a unique advantage in understanding the technical aspects of the cases they handle. In addition, it is extremely important to stay abreast of evolving international maritime laws and regulations. Due to the dynamic nature of the maritime industry, Houten Maritime attorneys engages in continuous learning to adapt to the latest legal developments and industry trends. Building bridges between the law and the sea. Impact of Houten Maritime attorneys. The maritime industry, often referred to as the lifeblood of global trade, relies on a vast network of regulatory frameworks to ensure its smooth operation. While ships and ports deal with the physical aspects of transportation, the legal expertise of professionals like Houten Maritime attorneys keeps the wheels of a shipping company moving. In this article, we explore the roles and influence of these maritime law experts in more detail. International dimensions of the law of the sea. One of the most distinctive aspects of maritime law is its intrinsically international nature. Ships move in international waters, stopping at several ports in different countries, and the resulting legal problems often cross national borders. Houten Maritime attorneys excels in handling these complex cross-border cases. They are familiar with international conventions and agreements on ship safety, pollution prevention and crew welfare. For example, the International Maritime Organization (IMO) creates regulations that Houten Maritime attorneys must be familiar with to ensure their clients are in compliance. Emergency and crisis management. The maritime industry is not immune to crises, whether accidents, natural disasters or other unexpected events. In these critical moments, Houten Maritime lawyers play an important role in organizing quick and effective responses. When an incident occurs at sea, such as a ship collision, lawyers diligently process evidence, assess liability and determine the most appropriate course of action. Their ability to think on their feet and make informed decisions can often mean the difference between containing a crisis and making it worse. Promoters of sustainable development. As environmental issues take center stage around the world, the environmental impacts of the shipping industry are increasingly scrutinized. Houten Maritime lawyers are not just lawyers, they recommend sustainable shipping practices. These attorneys work with clients to ensure compliance with environmental regulations, such as ballast water management and emissions regulations. They also help resolve cases of marine pollution and ecological damage, and contribute to industry efforts to minimize their footprint on marine ecosystems. Operating in a city with a rich maritime heritage, Houten Maritime Attorneys appreciates the importance of preserving its history while embracing modernity. In the case of shipwrecks, cultural artifacts or maritime heritage sites, these attorneys protect the interests of historic preservation. Houten Maritime lawyers are much more than lawyers, they are navigators of complexity, champions of sustainability and defenders of maritime heritage. With their expertise and unwavering commitment to the maritime industry, they are the pillars of an industry that connects the world. In a city with historical links to shipping, Houten Maritime attorneys are pillars of legal support for the vibrant shipping industry. As the maritime world continues to navigate uncharted waters, these lawyers remain at the helm, guiding their clients to a safe and legal sea.